One of the most popular features in RamBase is the sales calculator. The sales calculator allows you to manage the price communicated to your customer at every step of the sales process, giving you control of your profit goals along the way. Goodbye Excel and complex spreadsheets. RamBase is now calculating your price. Here's how it works. When you click into a product, a list of every component and part associated with that product will be listed. If you click on the different parts, you are able to see its individual cost. Let's say you receive a sales request for a product where the quantity is 20. RamBase's sales calculator will give you a suggested price. Each component of the product can have individual requirements, such as sales price, margin, variable cost, fixed cost, the cost associated with starting up and shutting down the machine, or other costs that are unique to your business. Another important element to the sales calculator is the overview of cost per piece, total cost, and sales price. This allows you to see the cost per piece and the total cost when the quantity and fixed cost are incorporated. If you need to get updated prices on specific parts from your suppliers, you can easily request a quote directly in the calculator view. Lastly, the calculated sales price with margin is presented, and this can be compared to the current sale price. You can see the actual cost compared with the sales price and see if the margin went in your favor or the customer's. RamBase, the right information to the right person at the right time.